This video takes us to the customer profile and to the Invoice Settings and Requirements section. This section contains settings that control certain actions that occur within the profile before you create a customer invoice for a load. We can access the Invoice Settings and Requirements section by selecting the customer's menu at the left of our screen, running a search for the customer, entering the profile, selecting the accounting section, where we'll select the Edit button to view the options. Within the left side of the Invoice Settings and Requirements card, you have the ability to control which documents within a load are included in a customer invoice PDF. You can schedule the system to automatically create invoices and email to recipients, and control if multiple invoices are created individually or batched together. On the right are settings that control requirements that must be met within a load profile before creating a customer invoice. Within the audit page, visual notifications will alert you when these requirements are not met. Make note that all users can access this section, but only accounting users and admin users can edit the invoice doc type setting and the requirement settings. You can find more information by viewing the Customer Invoice Settings tutorial within our knowledge base.